At first, starting something new feels exciting. As long as everything goes our way, we enjoy it. But the moment things stop making sense or don't work after a few tries, we start thinking it's too much trouble. We say it out loud, this is such a hassle. That word hassle is stuck in our heads since childhood. We heard it from our family, from people around us again and again. So now whenever things get tough, we just say too much hassle. No worth it. If I said that trouble doesn't even exist in this world, it might sound strange. Because I'm going against what most people believe, but I'll still say it because it's the truth. There's no such thing as trouble. There's only one thing, a process. Here's how you understand it. You plant a seed. After a few days, a tiny plant comes out of the ground. You protect it from bugs. You keep animals away. You water its roots at the right time. Now the little plant grows bigger and starts bearing fruit. From planting the seed to getting the fruit, everything you did in between, was that trouble or just part of the process? Think about it. You take an example, the results come after 3 months. From the day you gave the test to the day results came out. Was there trouble or was it a process? Of course it was a process. Even we were born after a full 9-month process in the womb. No one just showed up out of nowhere. When we call something a hassle, we're only making it harder for ourselves. Even the simplest task starts to feel difficult. That's not a winner's mindset, bro. That's how losers think. Anyone who keeps saying it's a hassle, check their achievements. You won't find anything big, because when someone sees trouble everywhere, how can they ever build something great? There's no such thing as trouble in this world. What exists is just one thing, a process. Every goal has a process. Some are short, some are long, but they are still just a process. Read the biography of any successful person. When you learn about their life, you'll see something clear, from where they started to where they are now. Everything in between was part of the journey. It wasn't trouble. It was the process that took them to the top. If I want to reach that level too, there's no shortcut to success, bro. Got it? No magic formula, no miracle is gonna save you. All I can do is give 100% to what's in my control, and for the things I can't control, I've got to wait. Because everything runs on a process, and I've got to work according to that process. But the truth is, we rarely stop and ask ourselves, what if I'm the one not understanding something? What if I'm the one making mistakes? We don't even look within. We just start saying, man, this is such a hassle, total drama. That's loser talk, not a winner's mindset. Look around your own neighborhood. The people who talk like that, how many of them are actually successful? How many of them have achieved anything big? So if you think like that, or if you got that habit, change it now, or else I'm telling you, you'll never grow in life ever. Once this truth really sinks in crystal clear, we stop quitting in the middle just because things get tough. Earlier, whenever something didn't work out, we'd call it a hassle and walk away. But now we know there's no such thing as a hassle. That's just nonsense we were told. It's all part of the process that takes us to the place we actually want to reach. Now when a problem shows up, we don't panic, we understand it, solve it, and keep moving forward. We keep working day after day without stopping. And that's how we build the most important quality for success. Consistency. Showing up every single day until success happens. That's how it works. That's the truth. If this video hit you deep or gave you some clarity, smash the like button, drop a comment, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss the next drop. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay strong, stay focused, and keep leveling up. All the best.